how to use Instagram threads. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the threads by Instagram. So the threads are going to be here a mini platform that is where they're linked to Instagram. So we are going to have here some topics, some articles, and some maybe some kind of blogs posted in that platform. How we can access the platform? It is easy. You need to have an Instagram account, and that Instagram account is going to be here the gate to open the threads. So here I have signed in into my Instagram account on the desktop. It is going to be here the same on the mobile. We're going to head over to Instagram or there at the left side of the screen. We're going to scroll down until we see the label of threads. We are going to click on it. If it is the first time that you are going to visit threads, you're going to have here the page of putting up the information, putting up some their details and what you're going to follow and whatnot, and also what the kind of contents that you want or you are going to see. So basically, as you can see here, it is set up as let's say here, or we can compare it to X or Twitter, X Twitter here. We have, as you can see, the posts. We have the option to post something. We can add an image. We can add some GIFs, hashtags. We can put some polls right there or create a thread right there, as you can see in kind of a poll. I'm not going to save that. And also we have the option to add a location. Also, we can have here some or add a AI label, as you can see, and that thread could be posted and you can anyone reply and add a quote to it. For example, here we have some celebrities created some threads and they have posted them. We can postulate right there or make some posts about products, about recipes, about articles, or whatever. You can repost, like, comment, and also send these threads through the messages on Instagram. So it is going to be here extremely, let's say, smooth to use, to send, and also to share. Right there, we are going to have also some like threads through here the activity checker. As you can see, if you have posted a thread, for example, whatever thread, and someone has put a comment or an activity like liking, reposting, or sending the thread, you're going to get the activity or the notification from here. Now for the search or the explore, as you can see, it is named nowadays explore. You're going to get all these suggestions. And also if you want to search for a topic, you can go ahead and put it here or put the name, title, or whatever you're going to set up. For example, iPhone, I don't know, here you are going to type in enter and you're going to see the top and the recent researches for the recent threads that has been posted and etc. You can get here some thread pages and also content, and you can get here some personalized filters for the search for the time or from the profiles. Now for the home or the account, you can see here or update your thread profile by putting here a picture or a logo, a title, and also the thread tag. You're going to get here the analysis or the insights and also the number of the followers, the threads, replies, and reposts. Basically, that is the thread, as you can see. So you can pin to your home navigation here the insights, some custom feeds, for example, or whatever the cases that you want. For example, here we have everything. Here I have liked a thread, and you are going to save them right there in this specific right there case. That was all for today's video. If you like the content and found it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more useful and important content that maybe you need.